Do you want to clone your voice but don't want to pay for it? Bro, hear me out. Hey guys, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you a new free voice cloner and text-to-speech app for Mac. So, are you excited? Let's get started. I just found the app called Chinny on Reddit and went and downloaded it, and it is really amazing. So, let me show you. So, click the link to download the app called Chinny. It will take around 4 minutes depending on your internet speed, of course. Now open the app. And guys, this is really important. Only create voices you have the rights to. Simply read the guidelines and accept them. Now we are interested in the voice cloning part. So click on Upload. Now upload a voice sample of the voice you want to clone that is at least 10 seconds long. Now add some text and press Start. And now press Generate. Press Finalize. Now listen to it. Test, test, I am Mr. Lemon. Test, test, I am Mr. Lemon. Okay, not bad, but I have an idea how we can make it sound even better. Let's save the file and then go back to the beginning. As you can see here, we can also use the built-in voices. Okay, let's go back to Upload and add a new text. Now we are going to change the voice tone from normal to energetic. Press Start and generate it again. So what do you think of this voice? To be exact, this is my voice that I cloned in this free-to-use Mac app. Very cool, right? Wow, that sounds amazing. When we click on the tool icon, we have even more options to change the voice tone, speed, and much more. So that's it, an amazing free-to-use app to clone your voice and use it as a text-to-speech generator. And yes, it is also offline, so now it's up to you to try it out. Let me know what you think of it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!